Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I will give you the link of this premium preset. Please like this video and also subscribe the channel. In the end of this video, I will show you how to download this preset, so please, don't skip any part. The preset link is given in the description. First, import the preset and also the pictures, which you want to edit. To apply this preset on more photos, just simply click on the three dots in the upper right corner, and click on Copy Settings. Now, open another photo and again click on the three dots and then click on Paste Settings. And boom! This is the result. Here are some example photos before and after using this filter. Please, like this video and support my channel. To download this preset for free, open the link which is given in the description. After redirecting to this site, click on subscribe channel, which will take you to my channel. Now subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to unlock the preset link. Now press the unlock your link button. Log in your Gmail account and download the preset from the Google Drive easily by following the steps.